In this video, I'm going to show you how to get professional flat lay photos for your clothing brand at home with an iPhone for less than $200. You don't need a $5,000 camera and a professional photo studio to pull this off. I set up a very simple lighting in my room with equipment that I bought on Amazon for about 150 bucks. And the final result is a very professional looking flat lay photo that looks on par with luxury streetwear brands like Rude. I'm also going to show you a secret Photoshop hack that all of the major brands use to make sure their product photos look perfect. The first step for shooting professional product photos at home is you get your product. So either order samples, or if you placed a bulk order, get some pieces at your spot or wherever you're going to be shooting the photos. Step 2 is shooting all of the products against a green background with soft diffused light. As you can see here, this is the raw iPhone photo of the shirt against a green background. I then removed the green background from the shirt. The edges are all over the place and the shirt is wrinkled. In Photoshop, I had a freelancer do what's called a ghost mannequin. They'll take this image and iron it out with Photoshop tools. There are no wrinkles, and all of the edges are even and symmetrical. It just makes this image a little more appealing to the eye. If you go on Fiverr and look up ghost mannequin or wrinkle and crease removal Photoshop, any of the freelancers that come up are going to help you achieve the same result as me. As you can see with this example, the final version is more symmetrical and there's a subtle shadow added. Same with this vest. Symmetrical at the top and in the shoulders, symmetrical at the bottom. Here is that black t-shirt example, de-wrinkle, creases removed. Here's a pair of jeans. So this comparison is not super crazy, but in my opinion, the subtle detail of the product on the right being smoothed out and having very symmetrical lines just looks better to me. This is my personal preference. Some streetwear brands want to go as raw as possible because that's authentic to their brand and their aesthetic. But for me, I really wanted this pristine feel and pristine vibe. And I included some other specific examples with before and afters in this document. So if you want to check out this document for yourself, be sure to download it at the link in the description. If you have any questions about this or want to see me do something like this in action, leave a comment. If you found this helpful or useful in any way, please like and subscribe. It helps me out so much. And I'll see you in the next one.